the main event, which I hesitated to test. It's its own desk pad, which comes pretty easily. It comes on with the Spigen Armor Extra. It sits pretty well in its place. Focus, focus, focus. Okay. So it's compatible, because the downside of this, it has a pretty big cutout. Let's see if USB adapter fits there. It fits, but I don't know if it has the connection, and I don't have anything to test right now with it. And let's see if IPAKY fits. IPAKY. Oh, that's a nice name. So the IPAKY isn't friendly with the Samsung decks. That's too bad.